On Wednesday morning, about 10 a.m. on January 15th, 1947, the body of Elizabeth Short was found right at this location. So where Kim is standing, where her upper body and head, her arms are above her head, about right where she was standing, that driveway did not exist. These homes did not exist here. Her legs and lower body were here. The only thing that was here was a sidewalk and that fire hydrant there. So when you check out the pictures, you'll see that in the distance were homes. They were being built coming this way.